Hey friends, welcome back. And I just got home from a crazy grocery haul. Sam's Club and Walmart. I have things shipping to the house and I have things in the garage that I'm not even unloading to bring up here. I have made probably 70 or 80 trips up and down stairs. I'm going to share with you guys our stock up for the end of 2023. That's right. This is our last grocery haul for the year. And we missed our Azure Standard haul this month. We have a very high minimum because of how far away we are from the city and all the other drops. So we have a $3,400 and change minimum, and with the holidays, a lot of people did not place their orders that usually do. So we just got what we needed from Sam's Club and Walmart. A lot of stocking stuffers, a lot of baking things, lots of things going on. I'm going to take you guys along and we'll see what we got. Okay, we're going to start here. I'm going to do my very best to get through this as quickly as possible. In our garage, we have 4 gallons of 2% milk. I have 1 carton of heavy whipping cream, 2 containers of sour cream, 2 ricotta cheese, some butters, unsalted and salted, just for the baking coming up for the holidays. I have kiwi. I forgot to move back there, and I have some protein powder. I also got my kids some new bedtime stories. My little kids, The Polar Express and Jesus Calling, the Story of Christmas. And then over here, I got 5 pounds of jalapeno peppers to make jalapeno poppers, and I'm going to throw some in the freezer. So I'm going to be freezing a lot of those. And then I have some tomatoes, some Flavor Bomb tomatoes. We like to dip these in ranch for lunches. These are just the little sweet peppers. And then I think I have total 3 bags of Honeycrisp apples. I have some Go-Gurts, celery sticks, 2 things of grapes, some string cheese, 2 boxes of cream cheese. And then I just have an assortment of these. Sometimes we'll do like a snacky style lunch with like a cracker, meat, cheese, fruit, nut, and vegetable. So I got these little cubed ones, and then I have like sandwich cheeses, or when we do hamburgers, we have some cheeses as well. I have some little of the Cuties oranges for the kids, some lemons, baby carrots, a couple little bell peppers. I have some romaine lettuce for sandwiches and BLTs. I got 2 big watermelons over here. Sam's Club, I've never seen them carry this before, but they now have persimmons. So I went to the Fort Collins one, and they have these. So we're going to snack on these. I also have 2 bags of broccoli. I didn't organize this very well. 2 bags of broccoli. I have some bananas, our favorite bacon. This is the hickory one made by Wright. And some pepperoni. These, I think I have 3. I think one's on the table. I always have made my pizza crust, but this is for a video. So I'm going to keep that set aside. Some miscellaneous lunch meat. And then I have 2 bags of sweet potatoes. I have some avocados, and I have some bell peppers. And I also have a ham here. That's also going to be for a video. And then I have the Chobani flips. Our kids love the holiday ones. And it's limited time. So I went ahead and grabbed a couple of those. And then we have some Italian truffle. That's a gift. The Italian truffles. We have the variety of the Lance crackers. And then this is just for holiday crackers. We're going to be having some company over and stuff. So we'll put that out on a board. We have the fig bars. We were out of graham crackers. We like to do that for a snack in the winter. We'll do like graham crackers and hot cocoa. And then pub mix. Over here, we're kind of going to get right into stocking stuffers. I have my kids downstairs for the moment. We'll see how long that lasts. I just got these. It's an 8-pack, so 8 kids. Each one will get one of those. And then I got this 12-pack right here. I'll just show you it. I won't say it because I don't know if they can hear me. Just some little stocking stuffers. We're probably going to do a movie night on Christmas, so they'll be able to have that with the movie. And then these, one for each of the kids. And then my husband likes these, so I got these for him. I got 2 bags of these, just things to have out in candy dishes when company comes. These will also be for like the peanut butter, or what are they called? Are they the blossom cookies? I don't know. I'm sure it's on the back. Yep. Peanut butter blossoms. So obviously not both of these, but some of those. This is also going to be for a video. Can't share that with you yet. some of the candy canes, and some of these and these. And then every Christmas we do one of these. And I also send some of this out. It looks like a lot, but we have 8 kids. If you put a handful in each stocking, it doesn't really go very far. But I also give to our niece and nephew as well. I make them up a little stocking every year and fill it up with candies to go with their gift from us as well. This is going to be a video, cannot share that yet. And then I got these to restock our regular supply. I like the Burt's Bees, but they were completely sold out. So I just got what they had in stock. And then another bag of those. My husband loves these. So I bought a huge tub of that. That will last quite a while. And before I go too far to the right, we'll just go back over here. I have some spoons. So we had our pie night. We have company coming, all kinds of things. So I want to restock our spoons and our forks because all our plasticware is completely gone down to nothing. And I always have at least one box of these full on the shelf. I have some Mr. Clean erasers. These actually need to go in my car. I thought I left them in there, but just some wet ones for in the car when we go places and the kids can clean their hands. I got some AA batteries. I have a ton of stuff shipping to the house. A lot of stuff wasn't in store, so I also have AAA batteries and I think C size batteries coming to the house through shipping. I got some shaving cream for my girls and me. I got these little ramekins. Some are shipping because they did not have enough in the store. The sales at Sam's Club were absolutely incredible. My girls always use the Aussie shampoo and conditioner, so I got 2 shampoos and 2 conditioners. That should last them a little bit. I got some OxyClean. It was just a really good sale. Didn't want to pass it up. All this stuff was basically on sale. It was really good prices, and it's stuff we get pretty frequently. I got some more of these pens. I like to use these in my teacher planner, my lesson planner for homeschooling. These we're about completely out of, and we have these in multiple areas of our house. I love the Aveeno lotion, and we also love the Aveeno body wash. We've gotten that for years, so we got those. This was a little bit of an investment. I forgot how much they are each, but I need to make my life a little simpler. And homeschooling, 8 kids every day making lunches, it gets old after a while and it is time consuming. So I bought these and I got glass because I'm really not a fan of plastic. But these will last a lot longer as long as they don't drop and break. But it's got 3 compartments, and what I need to really start doing is save time because everyone wants something different. One person wants turkey sandwich, one wants peanut butter and jelly, somebody wants this, somebody wants that for lunches, because they don't all like, the same thing. So I want to make lunches, ahead of time the night before and have it ready to go. That way when lunchtime comes, we're not spending, 40 minutes in the kitchen prepping lunch. We can have it kind of ready to go, pull it out of the fridge, eat it, and be done, and reuse it over and over because it's glass. So I did buy these. I'm going to give them a try. I got 2 of these Cascade dish tabs because we have maybe 4 or 5 left under our sink. So we're going to be stocked up with those. Like I said, the plastic forks, that is for a project video coming up here soon. So I can't share that, but that's what's on the floor. I got some goldfish for the kids. And then I got 2 things, a Tide Pods. I've been using my powder one from Azure Standard, but I really notice when it's really, really dirty, this stuff just works a little bit better. And then I got paper towels. I also got more paper towels back there. And then I got the dog. We do dry food for our animals, but I like to have on hand the canned dog food and the canned cat food. I usually get, what is the other brand called? Fancy Feast, but they didn't have it. It was shippable, but not in store anymore. They don't have it in store anymore. So I got that because the cans always come really dented up. And then I got the milk bones for the dogs. And then back to over here where we are, these 2 are for a video coming up So that's what that is. Some more chia seeds and some bacon pieces. I love these, and I'm going to be doing a video on one of our favorite soups this time of year, and it involves bacon pieces. This is just more of our baking section right here, and that's basically all this is just miscellaneous baking things. I think I mentioned in a previous video, I like to bake for the neighbors and do things like that around the holidays. So it's not all just for us. And here's the other pizza crust. That's going in a video. And then I got this for a gift. And then over here, I got some whipped cream because we were out after Thanksgiving, some marshmallows, baking powder. I did not know Sam's Club carried this, the liquid IV, and it is much cheaper buying it from Sam's Club than it is the packets from Walmart. So I got the lemon lime one. I got the Chinese 5-spice for a certain recipe I use. It's really delicious. I also got 3 syrups because we're low, and then we are low on peanut butter. So I got two packs of peanut butter. This, I rarely buy my kids anything like this. This is like a very rare thing, but coming into flu season and stuff, if I am down for the day, I want them to have convenience things on hand. So they do like that from time to time, but it's not a main thing we buy all the time. I have some spray olive oil. I have some vegetable oil, two packs of the Olive Garden Italian dressing. I use that in quite a few recipes. And then over here, I also have the pretzel rods. I'm going to be doing a video with those. I have just some miscellaneous chips. I usually get the big boxes of chips, but it's just so hard to store multiple bags. So I just got that. And honestly, with, a family of 10, one bag will probably go with sandwiches for one day's worth of lunches. And then my kids really like the black and white fudge drizzle popcorn. So I got that as a little snack. 2 things of canned corn. I did get to pressure can a bunch of ears of corn this fall, but not as much as I'd like to. So I want to have some more of those on hand. And then these, I am completely out. This is actually one of my secret ingredients in my chili. It's like a sweet, smoky style chili, and 2 of these cans go in it. It's delicious. So I was completely out of those. And then I got 2 of the yogurts that are in the pouches, basically for traveling when we go somewhere. I got 1 thing of the canned tomato sauce. And then I got 3 boxes of the Honey Nut Cheerios, just to have some on hand. I got 2 things of the Chex Mixes for holiday snacks and things like that we'll be making. Some Nutella to-go things. These things will all last us quite a long time. It's been a while, actually, since I bought any snacks in the house. We're still working through the end of them the last time I bought them. And then some skinny popcorn bags, a variety pack in the back there. But yeah, we're just filling in the gaps. Everything's pretty well topped off, I'd say. In our pantry with the condiments, I have a few things coming. Oh, the other things I have shipping, like the organic ketchup from Sam's Club. I have all kinds of things shipping that weren't in store, and I can't remember them all, but just basically what the store did not have on hand. Okay, it's super muddy out here, so don't mind the bottom of the fridge from all the snow melting and stuff, but it's gross out here in the garage. I did get the root beer for our drink fridge. I did get juice boxes. I got some Sprites for upset tummies. I got 2 cases of water, and then I got a pack of Capri Suns. And then in here, we put everything away, basically, but I just got a huge case, a bulk case of chicken breasts. I really need to pressure can. And I think we're actually down to our last, is that 2 bags? Our last 2 bags of chicken breasts. All the rest are like chicken thighs, chicken wings, and stuff like that. But anyway, so I just bought that case. I don't know why there's ice cream down there, but I just bought the case. So we just crammed all the chicken in here. I was just checking my car. There's still stuff that needs to get unloaded. My car was so crammed. We were out of cat litter, and with 4 cats, that is a no-no. So, my radio's going off. So I got 3 huge things that I'm going to get out right now of the cat litter. We love the Purina Tidy Cats unscented and clean one. And then my kid's jacket and a case of bubbly. So I need to get that out. All right, you guys, well, this is going to be like a lengthy night because now I got to put all this away. Not only unload it all, but I got to put it away. And there's stocking stuffers, so I had I don't have help with this part. I'm going to go ahead and get this stuff put away and get this video up for you guys. The next video after this will be a good vlogma. It'll be a good one. And anyway, if you like these types of hauls and videos with grocery hauls, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. And if you have not yet joined the channel, I'd really appreciate it if you'd hit that subscribe button on your way out. And I will see you guys on the next video. I'm going to go ahead and get started on this. It's going to be a long night. I'll see you on the next video. Take care and God bless.